Hello everyone and welcome. In this lecture we will be covering the download of Unity, where you can find Unity, and then we will be creating a project and starting along with this course. So to get Unity, simply open up your preferred web browser. In my case I'm using Opera, and you can just type in unity3d.com and click enter. This will get you to their web page, and here we have many tabs. We can also learn more about Unity. But what interests us is this Get Unity button. So if we click this, it should redirect us to the store. And Unity is a free engine. It has a personal edition, which is free. You can download this. But we also have these Plus, Pro, and Enterprise edition, which simply give us access to more features. For example, in the personal edition, here you can see everything that we get. So we can build for all platforms. It is royalty free. We get Unity ads, multiplayer, all those great things. But we won't get performance reporting, asset kits so if you purchase Plus or Pro, you get some of the most popular asset packs from the store. You get them for free. We won't get those. We also won't have source code access. We won't have editor UI skins, which doesn't really matter, and some other things here. But everything is fine. We can make full games in personal edition, but if we feel the need to upgrade to Plus or Pro later down the line, we can do that really simply. So just click here, try personal, and Unity will start downloading and installing. That process can take up a lot of time, so I already have Unity installed here. This is the latest version of Unity as of this point, 5.6, and I went ahead and clicked new to create a new project, and I'm going to create a new project here. I'll call it project 1. Also, we can say if this is going to be a 3D game or a 2D game. I'm going to set this to 3D. In this course, we won't be making any games. We will just be explaining Unity engine and C#, so how you can do a lot of cool things in the engine. We won't be actually developing any games. We have other courses on game development that you should check out if you're interested in that. But in this one we won't be making any games. We'll just be explaining things to you. So it doesn't really matter if you select 3D or 2D. But for the sake of it, I'm going to set this to 3D, and I won't import any asset packages, and now we'll disable Unity Analytics and just create the project. This should take a few moments for Unity to create the project and start up. Here we go. It is loading my extensions in the engine. You can see that many big companies use Unity. Blizzard made Hearthstone in Unity, Ubisoft uses Unity. Unity is a really great engine. And for some reason my engine has... oh. Whoop. Don't worry about that. There was some mistakes. And you can see that when you download and install Unity, your layout might look different from mine. So let's go to Window and Layouts. Yours... whoops, not like this. Yours should look, I think, default like this. So this is how Unity's default layout looks like. And we can easily change the layout by just dragging these tabs, for example project, and just putting it maybe here. We can also just customize the editor however we want. How I like to have my user interface here layout is, I like to have my hierarchy here, and down here I have my project assets, and right here I have my inspector tab, and here's my scene view, my game view, and the asset store. Another thing here in the assets browser, where we put our models, music, scripts, images, sprites, whatever. Here we can create a new folder, for example, by right clicking and going to create folder, and I can call this, for example, scripts. What I like to do here is you see we have this slider here, so I can increase and decrease the image size. I like to put it to minimum, so I have these nice folders and it's really easy to view. So thank you for watching, and we'll continue in the next lecture. That'll be it for this one, and see you in the next lecture.